Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Super excited because my package from eBay has finally arrived. So ito na siya. So this is a package of really awesome NBA cards. These are cards that I picked, selected, bidded for, and won in various auctions. So super excited. Woo! Dumating na siya sa wakas. Panalo! So what we'll be doing today is we'll be unboxing them. We'll take a look at each card that I was able to get. And panalo. So tara, buksan natin to. Okay, so here we go. We have several cards. So para lang makita nyo how everything is packaged. So medyo madami-dami tong cards na to, guys. So tingnan nyo na lang yan. Wow! Ito na siya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cards total. So first card, tingnan natin kung ano laman ito. By the way, heads up, I bought mostly Trae Young cards. So since siya yung personal collection ko, most of the cards that you'll be seeing today are Trae Young. But I also bought a couple of other cards that you might find interesting. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Ay, hindi pala ito yung Trae Young. Okay, we have an Anthony Edwards rookie level 3. So why si Anthony Edwards? Kasi sobrang hype siya ngayon sa Pilipinas and I got this at a very good price. So that's the first card, Anthony Edwards. Okay, next. So again, di natin alam. At least di ko na maalala kung ano itong mga to. No? So buksan na rin natin. Meron tayo ng scissors para mas mabilis. Okay, Trae Young ba to? Wow. Lupit ng packaging Hoodies Collectibles. This is Cam Reddish. Ayaw niya kasi mag-focus Yan, Cam Reddish. Autograph. This is numbered out of 99. So 50 out of 99. Cam Reddish patch auto. Syempre, I keep saying that most of the cards are Trae Young, but there is no Trae Young yet. So this is the third card. Again, I have a total of 11 cards to show you guys. Ayun, Trae Young. Oh, dumating din. Elegance, patch auto, triple color. 3 out of 5. So it's a veteran card. Hindi siya a rookie card, but elegance yan. Trae Young. Ganda, full auto. 3 out of 5 cards. Triple color. This is his third year, 2020 to 2021. Ang ganda! Winner! Pwede yun, may Trae Young na, diba? So buksan natin yung next. Yung masaya dito pala, by the way, versus box breaks. Wala nang sobrang lugi. At least you pay for what you get, diba? So this one is another Hawks person, Onyeka Okongwu. Why did I buy this? Sana hindi ko magupit yung card habang ginagawa ko to. Okay, next. This is another Onyeka Okongwu card. So this is a patch auto, 3 colors. So white, yellow, red. On card signature, rookie card siya. This is number 14 out of 99. Onyeka Okongwu. Pero take note na yung material here is not game worn, no? But it's still a pretty nice looking card from Noir na Onyeka Okongwu. Nasaan na yung mga Trae Young cards ko? Parang puro lahat, pero except si Trae Young yung dumating. Tingnan natin next. Okay. This is, yun, Trae Young. May dumating din na Trae Young, di ba? Ang ganda, So this is the Trae Young Showtime. Number 13 out of 49, full card auto. This one is year 2020 to 2021 also. Quick recap, we have Trae Young, we have Onyeka, Trae Young, Cam Reddish, and then Anthony Edwards. So ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards so far. So we have 5 more. So siguro hardcore tong nasa loob ng box. Pero ito muna buksan natin. Isa pang nasa plastic. Let's see. Sino kaya to? 1, 2, 3. Aha! Ja Morant. I honestly can't remember why I bought this. As in, bakit nga ba? But yeah, I have a Jam. Siguro we'll probably sell it in the shop or something. But yeah, Jamoran PSA 9 RWB rookie card. Okay, we have one more. We have a lot more. So bukas na tayo ng bukas. Ang saya na to. At least lahat ng cards na nakukuha ko, hits. Okay, di ba? So next, oh, this big. This big. So I think this is either a Cam Reddish or a Trae Young. Or I think this is my Onyeka. Ito yung super kapal eh. Onyeka Okongwu. Talagang naging PC ko na si Onyeka eh, no? Accidental PC. Onyeka Okongwu, 11 out of 15 with fine silver 1 troy ounce. Impeccable. So may logo man silver inside the card. Ganda oh. Grabe. Okay, we have another pack to open. Hirap buksan na to ah. I think I have, this is either another Jamorant card or a Trae Young card. So finally, a Trae Young card has arrived. Boom! Heir Apparent Trae Young. Gold, so this is out of 199, 9.5 BGS. Full card auto, Heir Apparent autographs. Panalo. 119 out of 199. Okay, two more cards. One is definitely Jamorants, and I don't know what the last one is, no, if not Jamorant. So buksan natin. This one. Oh, meron pang mga chok-chok. Oh, parang may freebie pa siyang binigay. Yun, it's my Trae Young Downtown. Trae Young Downtown card. Ang ganda. I want to collect all the Trae Young Downtown cards and the Kaboom card. So that's definitely next on my to-buy list. But yeah, ganda oh. Take a look at the hologram. And by the way, this is Gem Mint 10. PSA 10. Trae Young Downtown. Boom! Also, the guy threw in like a bunch of random cards. Jeff Teague, Morris, Danny Green. So, salamat. Thank you. Okay, then this is definitely the last Jamorant card. Ja. I think that's how they pronounce it properly. Jamorant. So, buksan na natin. Hindi ko rin alam ba't ko ito binili. The last card, we have a Jamorant Mosaic. PSA 10. It's a rookie card though. Is it? Is it a rookie card? I think it's a rookie card. Yeah, it's a rookie card. So let's do a quick recap of all the cards that I got. This is so nice. So let's take a look at the Trae Young cards. Again, guys, quick recap of what I was able to buy. We have this Elegance triple patch color RPA, third year. We have the Showtime Trae Young. We have the Heir Apparent rookie card. And we have the Downtown second year PSA 10. Again from Trae Young. We have my lone Anthony Edwards rookie level 3 card over here. And then we have my two Jamorant cards. So we have a rookie card, both rookie cards, one pink camo Mosaic and one rookie card Prism RWB. We have one Cam Reddish RPA over here na rookie. And we have the 3 Onyeka Okongwu rookie cards. By the way, if you guys are looking for a cabinet for your cards for display, this one is from SMO Cards 8. Sobrang ganda niya kasi it's measured talaga specifically for like, you know, the ones in slabs. They have different rows. And it even has this acrylic like cover para ma-protectionan yung card. So, if you want one, they sell for less than 2,000 pesos for the entire thing. I'll link down below to where you can order from them on Instagram or on Facebook. So, just so you see what it looks like. So, as you guys can see, pasok, kasyang-kasya yung mga slabs, yung mags. Sobrang ganda tingnan. So, that's like my current Trae Young collection. Pag dito sa baba, you have a couple of Lucas and the Kobe Bryant expensive card that I got a couple of weeks back. So, yan. Just so you see what the final product looks like. So, yan siya. 2 cases. One for the slabs. And ito, pwede magnets and normal cards. So, ito 6 layers, 6 rows. This one is 5. Ganda! Panalo. Dito masarap mag-break. Tapos we can put like a mat here when we do the vlog. Looks so nice. So yeah, there you have it. I'm very happy to add to my Trae Young PC with these cards. Looking forward to adding like a rookie card Kaboom. So that's on my list. The other Downtown cards and maybe the other Kaboom cards of Trae Young as well. So, what do you guys think of the cards? Let me know in the comment section down below. Super happy. Kaya pala pag bumili ng ganun, no, hindi box, wala yung randomness ng box break. At least kada bukas, ooh, it's nice. Siyempre nice, ikaw bumili, no? So anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.